So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add a parent in CloudNote. Let's go. So first of all, what you need to do is to go over to your account. Once you've logged in into CloudNote, go over to your lobby page, and that school which you want to add the parents to, you have to click on that, your school. The school that you are an admin in, select your school. Now, once you've clicked on your school, go over to the section that says user management. Now let's click on user management. So once you go into user management, first of all, let's go to this top right here where you see this icon. Now let's click on it to turn on the dark mode. Now as you can see, the interface has changed to the dark mode, which can help us see things really well. So at this top section right here, so let's click on add new parents. Now right here we can fill in the name of the parents we want to add. So now we're adding a Mr. and it's the father. So now let's add the first name of this person. All right, so let's put in his email address. Now right here, if we scroll down to the bottom, we have to add the student we want to link him with. And the student is Favor Morrison. So all we have to do is click on submit. And that is how you can add a parent in CloudNote. Now, let me show you exactly where you can know that you've already added a parent. So first of all, let's go over and click on refresh on our browser. So once you click on refresh, now as you can see, we have a parent here. This is a student and this is the staff. All right, so yes, that's how you can add a parent in CloudNote. Very quick and very easy. So thanks for watching this video and hope you enjoyed something new. Hope you learned how to add a parent in CloudNote. Very easy and very straightforward. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching. Make sure to like and make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.